This is Activity 2.3 on page 50, Formatting Message Content. A file that we'll be working with in this activity is the Word document titled Greg Cover Letter. You have selected the appropriate recipients, composed the message body, and checked the spelling and grammar for your pre-screening email about Greg Shannon to send to the recruitment team. Because this email requires their attention and a response, you also want to make sure that the email is formatted well so that members of the team can read and respond to it quickly and easily. You especially want to emphasize that you need the team members to respond by tomorrow at the latest. Part of your message will include a portion of Greg's cover letter to share with the rest of the team. Rather than including the whole document for them to read on their own, you will paste this into the email message and make sure it is formatted in the way you want it to be. Number 1, enter a line of introduction before the pasted portion of Greg's cover letter. We're going to select the end of the pasted text, and we're going to press enter 2 times. 1, 2. And we're going to enter the text. Here is an excerpt from Greg's cover letter, colon. Number 2, format the message content you composed using the mini toolbar. We're going to select all of the text in the message body, so we can click and drag from Greg all the way down, including that colon, and our mini toolbar should pop up. We're going to select our font drop-down, and you can hover over to get a live preview of what your message will look like with this text selected. We're going to select Franklin Gothic Book. You can actually start typing that and it will bring you to the F's. We're going to increase the font size. So you can pull it down from here and select 12, or you can hit your increase font size button to bring that to 12 as well. Then in our message body, we want to select only the word tomorrow in the first paragraph. So here's tomorrow. We can actually double click in tomorrow and it will select the whole word for us. And in our mini toolbar, we want to bold this out. Then we're going to select our font color drop-down. And in the standard color section, if you hover over the first option, we're going to apply dark red. And it applies that to only the selected word of tomorrow. All right, now number 3, copy and paste a portion of Greg's cover letter into the message body. We're going to go down to our Windows taskbar again to open up our File Explorer. In the left-hand folders pane, click on this PC. Double click on your home drive. Remember, first initial, last name. This is Outlook Part 1. Double click to open that folder. And this is Lesson 2, which is titled Formatting Messages. So we're going to double click to open that folder. And here we have the Greg cover letter. We're going to double click to open this document and it will launch in Word. If you get the protected view yellow bar at the top, just click the Enable Editing button. We're going to select and copy the third full paragraph in the document, starting with I have spent. So I'm going to click and drag from the I all the way down to the period after organization. I can use my keyboard shortcut, holding down Control and selecting the letter C. And I'm going to go down to my Windows taskbar and hover over my Outlook icon and then select that Greg Shannon email. You want to make sure your cursor is after the colon at the end of the text we have so far, and we're going to hit Enter twice to skip a line. Then we're going to go up to our ribbon, and we're going to select the Format Text tab. And in our clipboard command group, we want to select the drop-down arrow for our paste options. And from those paste options, we're going to hover over and we want to find the Keep Source Formatting option. So this is going to keep the formatting from the original document, which is our Word document, and paste that in. So we can click on that to paste it. And then number 4, indent and apply italic formatting to Greg's cover letter to differentiate it from your message text. You want to make sure that your cursor is somewhere in this paragraph, so click anywhere in these words. You're going to go up to your Message tab, and in the Basic Text command group, you're going to select the Increase Indent button. So that's the right pointing arrow. Remember that you can hover over to get your screen tip of the title. So we're going to click on that once. You can see it increases the distance from that left margin. Then we're going to select this whole paragraph. So click and drag from I past the period and organization. And from our mini toolbar, we are going to italicize this. Click on the I. And you can click anywhere outside to deselect that. So you can see that shows that this particular text is being pulled from another document. We're going to go up to our quick access toolbar of our Greg Shannon info message, and we're going to click on our Save button. And this will save this email message in our drafts folder, and we can finish and save it finish and send it at a later time. All right, we're going to go down to our Word application, and we can exit out of the Greg Shannon resume. All right, we can actually close out of the Greg Shannon info message. Make sure that you have saved it first. Again, that will be saved in your drafts folder, so we can exit from here. We can close out of our File Explorer. And if you're continuing with additional activities, you can leave this open. Excuse me. Otherwise, you can exit out to complete it at another time.